Ever ponder why Bitcoin's value seems to skyrocket every 4 years? Ever notice a pattern in the cryptocurrency market that leaves even the most seasoned investors scratching their heads? It's high time we delve into the intriguing world of Bitcoin halving. In the grand scheme of Bitcoin, one event stands out like a beacon: Bitcoin halving. But what is it exactly? Simply put, it's a predetermined event that halves the reward miners receive for adding new transactions to the blockchain, and it occurs approximately every 4 years. To understand this, we need to grasp the concept of Bitcoin mining. Picture a vast digital landscape filled with miners not wielding pickaxes, but powerful computers. These miners solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. In return, they receive Bitcoin as a reward. This is how new Bitcoins come into existence. Now, on to the halving. When Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, they designed it to mimic gold, finite and increasingly difficult to mine. As such, the total number of Bitcoins that will ever exist is capped at 21 million. To ensure we don't reach this limit too quickly, the reward miners receive is halved approximately every 4 years. Consider the first ever block of Bitcoin, the Genesis block, mined in 2009. The reward then was 50 Bitcoins. Fast forward to today, post 3 halvings, and the reward stands at a mere 6.25 Bitcoins. So, what does this mean for Bitcoin's value? It all comes down to supply and demand. As the mining reward decreases, the rate at which new Bitcoins enter the market slows down. If the demand remains constant or increases, the price of Bitcoin often rises. This is why we see significant price surges around the time of each halving. To summarize, Bitcoin halving is a crucial event in the life of Bitcoin. It occurs roughly every 4 years, reducing the reward miners receive for their efforts by 50%. This controlled reduction in supply is designed to prevent inflation, mimicking the finite nature of gold. As a result, it often leads to significant price surges, attracting the eyes of investors worldwide. Remember though, the world of cryptocurrency is volatile and unpredictable. While patterns like the 4-year halving cycle provide some insight, they're not a guaranteed roadmap to riches. Investing in Bitcoin, like all investments, involves risk. So always do your due diligence, stay informed, and invest wisely. In the world of Bitcoin, halving is akin to a seismic event, sending ripples through the market. It's a testament to Satoshi's vision of a decentralized, deflationary currency. As we move towards the next halving, expected in the year 2028, the anticipation builds. Will history repeat itself? Only time will tell. Until then, keep an eye on the Bitcoin horizon and brace for the potential impact of the next halving. Thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button. Money made simply.